The colder a system is, the more difficult it is to get the air out of the system. For this reason, it is a great advantage to install a SpiroVent Superior Vacuum Degasser in addition to a SpiroExpand Multi-Control Cool Expansion device. If your system is in operation, cold water circulates in the system and the circulation pump is running. As soon as the circulation pump switches off, the system stops, causing the water to heat up and expand. As the water temperature rises, the pressure in the system and the expansion volume increase. This means that the membrane in the vessel fills with water and the volume increases. As soon as the system starts again, the circulation pump switches on and the water circulates in the system. This causes the water temperature and pressure to drop, which leads to a decrease in the water level in the full membrane. Regardless of whether your system is in operation or at a standstill, after certain intervals, the degassing is active and the degassing process starts. The system water flows into the degassing tank of the vacuum degasser. The solenoid valve now closes and the vacuum phase begins. The degasser pump continuously generates a negative pressure. This releases the dissolved gases, which are expelled through the degassing valve. As soon as the water in the degassing tank has been completely degassed, the solenoid valve opens and the pressure in the degassing tank returns to normal. The gas-free water is pumped back into the system. By installing a SpiroVent Superior Vacuum Degasser, dissolved gases are removed. This ensures an air-free operation of the system. The integration of a SpiroExpand expansion device and a vacuum degasser into the system increases the efficiency of the chilled water system. The use of stainless steel in the multi-control cool unit guarantees a long service life without rust. SpiroTech, maximizing performance for you.